In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form to Google Sites. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, helping you accomplish this task quickly and easily in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to be on your Google Sites page. If you're not there already, go ahead and log into your Google account and navigate over. Once you're on your site's dashboard, look towards the options available on your page. We're going to focus on adding a new feature, which is our form. Now, the very first thing you need to do is click on the Forms button. This is typically found in the menu bar or sidebar of your Google Sites page. Clicking on Forms will prompt Google Sites to open up a panel that helps to integrate any form you've created. Next, you'll need to select the form you wish to add. It's important to ensure that this form is already created and published. Why? Because only published forms can be embedded into your site and shared with a wider audience. If you haven't published your form yet, it won't show up in the list of available forms to select from, so make sure you've taken care of that step beforehand. After confirming that your form is ready to go, you'll see it listed there. Click on the form you want to use and it will be highlighted or brought into view for embedding. With your form selected, the next step is to hit the Insert button. You'll typically find this button either at the bottom of the panel or in the menu, depending on how Google Sites is currently set up. By clicking Insert, you tell Google Sites to take your chosen form and place it neatly into your web page. This integration is seamless and you'll find that it appears right where you need it. And there you have it, your form is now part of your Google Sites page, ready for interactions. This integration enhances your site by allowing users to input information, providing a more interactive experience. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting a survey, or facilitating a sign-up form, this functionality is incredibly versatile. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of final tips. Always preview your site after making these changes to ensure everything looks just the way you want on both desktop and mobile displays. Also, consider using different formatting options to make your form stand out or blend well with the rest of your site content. Thanks for following along. We hope this beginner tutorial helps you effectively add forms to your Google Sites. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online presence. Happy creating!